Kevin, Red Living Philippines. So it's been I think about 2 weeks of work on this drainage project. Let's see what they've got done since the last video. About 2 weeks of work. We need to get out here and weed whack, clean out our drain. Maybe we need to get covers for it. That's our gray water drain. It goes into what they did. So now it's covered. Let's see what else they got going on. He said they're going to start digging into the road and go from this right side of this road down the left side of that other road up on the left here. They're working down at the other end early this week. Take a look and see what they're doing. It's the back half of rainy season. It's about 6 months long. July and August being the middle of it and the most rain, and September, October it starts to taper out and get drier. So let's take a look at where they stopped. They stopped right where their water meter's at. So they got all the way done to where my gray water comes out. So May and June is when the rain starts coming in. Rains hard July and August, and now it's on its way out. It was sunny yesterday for the most part, partly cloudy. They've been working down at this other end where this drain goes out, the existing drain. Looks like they have more cinder blocks to finish over there where we just passed. His Angel's house with his chickens, turkeys, ducks. His brother Alex lives over on the other side. Pretty much where that trike's at, from the trike to the wall. Hey kids.
Hello.
Lakers fan, huh?
Yeah.
Everybody and their chickens. A ton of them over here. Of course they got some in their front yard here. Not everybody has them. This house doesn't have any. Whoa, it's flapping. What are you doing, chicken? Rooster? Got some more chickens. Hello. There's that Cheerful Homes. Working down here now? Is this one going to tie in over here? Is this going to tie in over here?
Yes. No.
No?
No, yes. Yes, no.
Kakit niya, Son.
Black.
Son, kakit niyan.
I'm brothers.
Wala takit dito.
Meron. Dali.
Did they get permission to put the drain on the other side?
Ah, tali mo muna dito.
Row homes. You can see Mount Orion out that way. I don't know if those are ready for rent or not. Oh, look. I don't know if you can see it, but there's a road sign over there, Utah Lane and Colorado Avenue. So where's this drain gonna go to? Anywhere?
Wait there, wait there.
Is it just gonna be here? I don't know if they're gonna tie it in here or not. They're like, yes, no. I would assume they're gonna tie it into this one. Let's see if I can see over the fence. If there's drainage over there. Yeah, see, they got a drain right there along the street. And there's a big building going up over there in the distance. I don't know what they're putting up there. There's no sign on the road when you go by it.
Kayong lugar dito sa Pilipinas. Amin ang bansang to.
So that's what they got going on for the last week or so since I filmed. They got the drain covered over there, but it stops on either end. It's not leading into anything. We had it hooked up to this one along this road. It looks like they're probably going to hook that one up. I don't think they understand me. So temperature's about upper 80s, 88 degrees, whatever Celsius that is, I don't know. But I never see a day under 85 degrees here during the daytime high. And I don't go out at night when it's cool at like 3 in the morning. It might hit like 75, 78. So needless to say, it's always hot and humid here. Even the coolest, driest time of the year, January and February, it's low 80s. But at least it's 70% humidity instead of 90-95% when it's raining in July and August. So that's the update. Hope you enjoyed the short video, or interested at least. See what's going on. Thumbs up, thumbs down, leave a comment, subscribe, and have a wonderful day.